Hello friends and welcome to yet another video. So in this video I plan to say today's cricket news. Top 5 instances when umpiring mistakes took a toll on the game. IPL has always provided the audience with some intense and breathtaking action. Over the years, the competition has been cutthroat between the 8 teams and that has made the officials' life even more difficult. Due to the presence of international superstars and jam-packed stadiums, umpires are put under immense pressure. In such cases, it is certain that umpires are gonna make some mistakes at some points of time, as they are also humans. But recently, the work has been really shoddy and it has to be addressed quickly. Here are the top 5 instances when umpiring mistakes took a toll on the game of IPL. Number 1. Mumbai Indians vs SRH 2017. In 2017, Mumbai was going to host the Hyderabad franchise at the Wankhede. Both the teams were high on confidence after the successful start to their campaign. As usual, Rohit Sharma won the toss and decided to bowl first because of the short boundaries and flat pitch. The officials for the game were Nitin Menon and C.K. Nathan. It was all going smoothly until power play as Emma didn't allow SRH to take advantage of the field restrictions. David Warner took the strike on the first ball of Mitchell McClenagh over, which was the 7th over of the innings. At that time, the commentators noticed that Warner scored a boundary on the last ball of the previous over of Bumrah, but both the officials and the TV umpire didn't notice that, and thus Warner retained the strike for the following over. Mumbai Indians was again at the receiving end as in their previous game. Rohit Sharma was wrongly adjudged LBW by the same pair of umpires. The decision didn't affect the outcome of the game as MI won by 4 wickets, but the approach made by the umpires were really casual and could cost the match for Mumbai Indians at any point of the game. Number 2. RCB vs Mumbai Indians 2018. In 2018, RCB was chasing a mammoth total of 214 after being drugged by the Mumbai Indians in the first innings at home. The Australian umpire Rod Tucker was accompanied by the Indian umpire Nitin Menon. After Bumrah's 15th scalp in the form of Fox came, Indian speedster Umesh Yadav walked out to take the strike. Umesh quickly took the single and gave the strike to the skipper, and in the following ball, Kohli ended up mistiming a shot to long on and took off for a single. In pursuit of winning, Umesh slogged and the result was a skyer to cover where Rohit pouched it easily. The umpires checked for a front foot no ball and the replays were played on the giant screen. After a couple of replays, it came to light that Umesh was at no striker's end in the footage. The footage was the wrong one, which was a grave mistake committed by the umpires sitting in the box. Even though RCB lost by a big margin, the error of this part of the third umpire was a careless one as he had all the technology within his reach. At number 3, we have Kings 11 Punjab vs KKR 2018. Last year, when the team from Punjab visited the Eden Gardens for an encounter with KKR, the teams were riding on a high wave as both were unbeaten in the tournament. The Kings won the toss and decided to bowl first, which was proven worth by the bowlers when they gave away just 38 runs in 5 overs. The on-field umpires for the game were Shamshuddin and Abhijit Deshmukh. For the last over of the power play, Ashwin introduced Andrew Tye to the opposition. Tye started with a gentle loosener on the stumps, but immediately after his bowling stride, he heard the umpire uttering the word snowball. Tye was surprised by the call and he was waiting for the reply on the giant screen. After the reply, the bowler got exasperated with the umpire as some part of the heel was behind the line. He argued with the umpires a lot of time and then tried to opt for a review, which was really comical. Later, Punjab won the game easily, but the umpire, even after knowing his mistake, didn't react to the situation at all. At number 4, Mumbai Indians vs RCB 2019 season. Whenever RCB take on MI, it is considered to be a mouth-watering clash as both the sides are full of superstars. This year also, when captain Virat Kohli decided to field first, MI's famed batting lineup posted an impressive total of 187 on the scoreboard. The crowd was enjoying the chase, but the team goes up in the last couple of overs, which caused heartbreak for the fans. The match officials were S. Ravi and C.K. Nathan. In the thrilling tie, Malinga was the star for Mumbai as he successfully defended 17 in the last over. After the last ball of the match, the replay showed that the veteran clearly overstepped the line in his delivery strike. The crowd and the RCB dugout got furious over the mistake committed by the on-field umpires. Virat Kohli was shaking his head terribly and stated that the umpiring was of the club level. In the post-match talk, the opposition skipper Rohit Sharma also showed his displeasure on the wrong decisions made by officials. Even the third umpire didn't intervene, which is his part of the job, and as a result, RCB lost a crucial tie where the umpires were looking clueless. At number 5, and the last one is number 5, we have CSK vs RR 2019. It was the time for the Rajasthan franchise to host the table topper CSK in their den, where they have a record-winning rate. MSD won the toss and decided to put the opposition under scanner as he was unsure about the nature of the pitch. The pitch turned out to be slow one and RR huffled and puffled to a pass score of 150. It appeared to be a thrilling tie until the final over, which was overshadowed the match and headlined it for wrong reasons. The umpires for this tie were Ulhas Gandhi and Bruce Oxenford. In the final over, Ben Stokes cleaned up MS Dhoni on the third ball of the over, and the new entrant Mitchell Starner walked out to strike. Immediately, the England all-rounder bowled a beamer and the umpire Ulhas Gandhi signalled it as a no-ball without even consulting with the square leg officials. The buzzers went off in the stadium, but within seconds, the umpire reversed his decision without any discussions. It was wrong on Amazoni's part to invade the pitch, but it was promoted by some brain-fading moments on the field as all the umpires made a meal of a simple decision. It is true that in the tournament like IPL, the skills of the umpires are really tested, but it can be prepared them for the high-voltage ties in international circuit. Technology has been a blessing for the game, but nowadays the officials are not using it correct at all, and also the decision-making skills of the umpire have been really poor day by day. Thank you for supporting my channel. Like, subscribe and comment, and for more such notifications of the World Cricket, kindly subscribe channel and also kindly like, share and comment the video. Thank you.